shit. Fuck! It's going to the garage anyway, because of the overheating issue. And I've got to get them to charge the other battery, which I've got on me. It took me well over an hour to get this fucking bike started, because it wouldn't even want to start on this battery that it's got in now. I got the light back on. I need it to go. I've got no choice but to get it to painting. I've got no other way of getting it down there. I don't get why it's staying on. Yep. Bike's fucked. Bike's fucked. I don't like this bike. Shit. Fuck! Shit, man! My gloves are over there. Need my fucking gloves, bro. I had to rush it over here, and now I'm stuck here because this thing wanted to blow on me. I've got it on camera though. Fuck this bike, bro. If you want my honest review about Lexmotos, yeah, don't fucking buy one. They're shit. I've had 2 Lexmotos, alright, and do you do recoveries, bro? I've had 2 Lexmotos. The first one, nothing but issues, one after the other. But every month it was in the garage, and it was in the garage more than I was able to ride it. This bike was pretty good for the first 3 months of owning it. It's brand new. It's 25, registered last year when I brought it. Had it since I think July 2025, and for the first 3 months, perfect. Loved it, fell in love with it, kept up with the servicing and everything, and then after 3 months, nothing but issues after issues, and as you guys witnessed, another issue added to the fucking Lexmoto. So my honest opinion, yes, they're cheap to buy, they're not cheap to run. Keep that in mind. I spent on my old Lexmoto on repairs around 3 to 4 grand in the time I had it up and running. More issues went wrong, and so I stopped repairing it because we're like 4 grand into repairs, and the bike cost me 1.2 grand, right? 500 miles, 1.2 grand, and I spent 4 grand in repairs. So I stopped repairing it. I went to Traeger's. I saw this bike, didn't realise it was a Lexmoto until afterwards, and like I said, it was fine. I mean, the bike's financed. I'm not paying out fucking $3 straight away for a Chinese bike, which is definitely going wrong, as you can see. So yeah, $3 grand that is cheap, but look at all the costs. I mean, we're in January, we're on the 26th of January, and I have already this month spent almost £400 to get this bike repaired this month. Now add to the blown head gasket, which I'm pretty sure just blew up on me. The temperature gouge, just for the temperature thing, I was looking at £150. Alright, on top of the 400 quid I spent this month already, so that's £550. Head gasket and maybe a few other issues. We're getting close to £1 in just 1 month. So my honest opinion, don't buy Lexmotos. Yes, they're cheap. They're not cheap in the long run. You're better off getting a Honda, reliable, or a Yamaha. Because now, I'll probably have to splash out some dough to get it fucking moved from here. How the fuck am I doing that? I don't know. Now it stopped steaming, which is lovely. I love that. Yeah, I wonder if it still starts. There's literally, right, there's whatever's blown has just caused all of this, all up there as well. So by the looks of it, that is the head gasket. Oh, I've got to get it somewhere. Whether that's home or just fucking bin it off at this point. Where's the nearest dump? Kevin's calling. Now, with that being said, I need it out the way. That's its new home now. Don't get a Lexmoto unless you want to be in my situation with a brand new bike dumped to the side because the fucker just doesn't work. Not just because this bike has gone wrong that I'm saying Lexmoto is shit. I'm genuinely saying it's shit through personal experience and the fact that I've owned 2 Lexmotos, one being second-hand and one being brand new, and both just issues after issues. Don't get yourself a Lexmoto. Now, this might be the end of this bike. I know it's repairable. I don't know how much for, but we're currently at 190. That's without the head gasket or what other issue has just gone on. So we're now at 190, which isn't ideal. It's probably the end of this bike because once it's sorted, I'll probably end up selling it, pay off the finance and try getting a Honda. Because even if you buy a Honda second-hand, it's 20,000 times more reliable than a Lexmoto.